Hello friends. I am Li Bu. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. Acaranthus aspera is a medicinal plant with cool properties, helps to cool down, relieve constipation, lower blood pressure, treat hepatitis, polyarthritis. Let's find out the disease use of scratched plants, how to use this medicinal plant. Scientific name, Acaranthus aspera L. Family, Amaranthaceae. Description of the Acaranthus aspera tree. Acaranthus aspera is an herbaceous, slender, slightly square herbaceous plant that lives for many years. The tree has a height from 1 to 2 meters, with many branches. The leaves are opposite, pointed at the tip, about 2 to 4 cm wide and 5 to 12 cm long. The leaves are ovoid-shaped, raw, with small stalks. Flowering Acaranthus aspera grows in clusters. The flower can grow from a leafy interstitial position or at the beginning of a branch. The fruit is oval in shape, containing one cylindrical seed. The roots are yellow, long cylindrical. The main roots are bulging like tubers, surrounded by many rootlets. What are the types of Acaranthus aspera? Acaranthus aspera has 4 forms. Acaranthus aspera India. Acaranthus aspera white fir. Acaranthus aspera shaggy. Acaranthus aspera red-gray. Parts used. The whole plant Acaranthus aspera. In particular, the root is used as the most cure. Harvesting, preliminary processing. Acaranthus aspera is harvested year-round. The whole plant is washed, cut off the roots, stems, leaves, sliced, then dried or dried. If only roots are harvested, the harvest is mostly in the winter. At this time the stems and leaves are withering and the roots have swelled up. Roots are dug up, cut off small roots. Let roots dry until the outer skin creases. Finally, cut off the pointed tip of the roots, sliced thinly, dried. Preserving medicinal herbs. Dried medicinal plants should be stored in a dry place. Avoid near domestic sources of water in the home or in humid environments. Chemical composition of Acaranthus aspera. An Acaranthus aspera contains ingredients: saponin tritechpenoid, potassium salt, arginine, alkaloids, amino acid, olenolic acid, polysaccharide, potassium salt, iron, glucid, copper, glucose, country, totted, fiber, ash, vitamin C, carotene. The taste of Acaranthus aspera. Bitter, sour, cool taste. What does Acaranthus aspera do? According to Oriental medicine, Acaranthus aspera has the effect of activating the blood, nourishing the liver and the kidneys, strengthening the tendons, eliminating stasis, regulating menstruation, urinating, cooling, relieving pain. Treatment of the following disease: bloody bruise, hepatitis, kidney infection, hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, fever, gout, irregular menstruation. Use of Acaranthus aspera tree. According to modern research, Acaranthus aspera helps to promote protein synthesis in the body. Has an antihypertensive effect, stimulates uterine muscles. Some substances in Acaranthus aspera have the effect of stimulating urination, reducing blood sugar and cholesterol, improving the functioning of the liver. Active ingredients: saponin in medicine stimulates uterine smooth muscle contraction. Ingredients: ecdysterone is an anti-pregnancy substance, affecting reproduction. Acaranthus aspera anti-inflammatory, analgesic, strengthens the body's immune system. In addition, the active ingredient ecdysterone in scratched grass also clearly shows the characteristics of reducing fat and sugar. Usage and dosage. On using 1220G in the form of decoction or pounding on the skin. Harms of Acaranthus aspera. There is no scientific research to prove the harmful effects of Acaranthus aspera. However, some subjects may be allergic to the ingredients of the medicinal ingredient, causing side effects such as rashes, skin itching, chest tightness, shortness of breath, nausea, dizziness, discomfort. Stop using Acaranthus aspera immediately if you notice any bad signs that occur after taking the medication. Medicinal treatment from plants: Acaranthus aspera. Treatment of hypercholesterolemia and triglycerides in the blood. Take 12G Acaranthus aspera, sliced, put in a kettle to drink. Treatment of gout. This is one of the uses of the Acaranthus aspera tree that is well known. Slice the medicine and place it in the pan to dry yellow. Boil medicine with 4 bowls of water to get 2 bowls of solid medicine. Drink 3 times a day for all. The minimum duration of use is 7 days, maximum 10 days. Treatment of hypertension, hypercholesterolemia, atherosclerosis, myocardial infarction. Take 6G of dried Acaranthus aspera root to warm with 10G of ton nok tree. Pour 3 bowls of boiling water down to 1 cup. Take the pill after eating about 30 minutes continuously for 2 consecutive months. If the illness has not ended, take 3 days off and continue drinking. Treatment of menstrual disorders, hemorrhagic disease, cure inexperienced in women. Acaranthus aspera 30G, cypress tuber 30G. Boil with 800 ml of drinking water 2 times a day. Acne, beauty skin. Acaranthus aspera tree washed with salt water, chopped and then smashed. Squeeze the water onto the skin or areas with acne 2 times a week. Each time up for 30 minutes. Treatment of diphtheria. Take 100G of fresh Acaranthus aspera root and cook with 150 ml of water. Boil thoroughly, let cool and drink several times a day. Treats mumps. Fresh Acaranthus aspera leaves for drinking. Get the leaves out. Treatment of convulsions, polio, atherosclerosis. Sac 40-60G of Acaranthus aspera root taken several times a day. Acaranthus aspera also cures many other diseases but must be combined with other medicinal plants. My experience. I have used Acaranthus aspera to treat joint pain and headaches. Very high efficiency. Note the use of Acaranthus aspera tree. Subjects should not use Acaranthus aspera. Pregnant women. People who are in the period of menstrual bleeding. Men are suffering from seminal sperm. People with stomach and intestinal problems should be cautious when using it as it may cause diarrhea and abdominal pain. So another medicinal plant that I have shared with you. I wish you health, happiness and success. I love you guys so much. See you again.